into the hourly candles for Bitcoin, because what you can actually see here, this is actually the 4 hourly candles, is that after the breakdown I was mentioning earlier, let me just quickly go over here to my brush. After the breakdown I was mentioning earlier, Bitcoin is going up here for another retest. And this bounce looks so small, but this is nearly a $1,500 bounce. And look at this trend line. Let me go over to the 1 hourly candles to show you exactly what is actually happening here. You can see here how crazily, and one of these trend lines we can just diminish, how crazily Bitcoin is actually retesting here the support, the previous support, which is right now maybe turning into resistance. But the most important thing to understand is that, as you remember, we broke down here from this head and shoulders pattern, and as you know, we are always waiting for confirmation. Is this the confirmation? Well, the next few hourly candles will give us an answer. More importantly, this bounce here, where is this bounce coming from? Why are we bouncing here? And is this this head and shoulders pattern within a head and shoulders pattern, within a head and shoulders pattern, within another head and shoulders pattern actually still valid? You know, we have 4 head and shoulders pattern on different time frames. I was talking about that earlier. Make sure you watch the video earlier here from today if you missed out on that. But as you can see here, we are retesting. But the most important thing, guys, if I just go down here to the BTC USD chart, let me just quickly find it. It is somewhere down here, BTC USD chart on Binance. Here, big shout out to my friend CryptoMo, who was actually making me aware of Bitcoin holding support here. I mean, guys, this bounce is not coming out of nothing. If I am actually zooming in a little bit here, just a second, guys. If I am zooming in here, you can see we got multiple bounces here at this specific upward sloping support. Let me take out the brush. One bounce over here, even 2-3 touch points. Another one over here, another perfect one here, and just a few hours ago we got another one here. This is actually indicating that we are still here waiting for the breakout. We are still within this symmetrical triangle, and the most astonishing thing about this symmetrical triangle is actually our breakout target, because if I pull that down here, guys, and a symmetrical triangle in an uptrend serves as a continuation pattern, this could actually lead us. And guys, remember, we are not just speculating as of right now. We are trading the breakouts, guys. We are trading confirmed breakouts, but this could lead us above the $50,000 level, and a more unlikely breakdown, I mean, we are talking here, of course, about these specific head and shoulders patterns, which have a massively bearish bias. So far, we are getting bounces here on the go and getting close to invalidating those. But if this one would be actually breaking down, we would perfectly come back to our support and also to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level.
So take your finger, any of them. You can use this finger, I would say this finger is the best one. And then you go down right now, and then you click the like button.